What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. All right, guys, from a different angle. So my car has been wrapped in this color for probably about, I want to say like 2 weeks now, and I absolutely love it, guys. This is better than the blue that I had before. So here it is, guys. I wrapped a pearl white. See if I got the keys for you guys. See them lights though. We just got here with the boys. Both of my friends, they wrapped their cars. So this is a majestic rainbow white, I think. This is it looks like a rose gold. It looks really sick. Oh yeah, you too, huh? Shit. So right now we're gonna push his car because his car died. You got a little Christmas tree on his car, guys. We just pulled up to the cruise. Another car. What's up, man? Yeah. I know, bro. What's up? Yeah, yeah. Got the Supra, it's the homeboy. So you guys 350 for sale. Right here, the one who hosted the meet is McDonald's. We got all the bikers here. The guy himself, Fiora. He just wrapped his bike, to be honest. I think it was a different color. Yeah, and it's raining.
It's gonna be raining, so there's not gonna be a lot of people on the PCH. Actually, I caught this. They're not closed, they're open.
Oh yeah, they're open?
It says on Google, they're open.
Alright, bet.
Alright, so we'll take.
So we're going to Neptune's next. I'm kind of like iffy because it's raining. I already know how people that have cars like this drive. I'm gonna try to drive safe. So we did a little quick stop, and right now we're by the beach. I don't know if you guys ever played GTA, but this is where we're at. GTA, you should know where we're at. Chris got his Morimoto lights finally. All he needs now is wheels and the front headlights, because these ones are no bueno. Gotta get these ones. These ones are the good ones. You ready? Oh shit, what's up, bro? So we just got to Neptune. It was like a long ass drive to get here, to be honest. But this is my boy Sam, my boy Joseph. We in the cut. His wrap looks fucking sick. Got the Nismos on. Bro, I miss my Nismo wheels. For real, y'all make me miss my Nismo wheels. Really? Oh, because how low it is, huh? Oh, for real? Hey, bro, are you gonna get Morimotos? It makes a big difference, to be honest. So these are the stock tail lights on the Z, and these are Morimotos. My boy up there getting some real content. Wait, so what did you say you had? What does it have?
So it's an 02 WRX motor. Has STI intercooler on it, obviously a blow-off valve, the intake manifold from the STI. Has WRX coilovers on it.
Oh shit.
That are worn out. But, yeah, it's fun.
Oh, bro, I like your wheels. Hey, your wheels are sick, bro.
What is this?
So it's a 97 Legacy wagon. with an O2 WRX engine in it.
With the bigger compressor, right?
Technically, yeah. The fucking greenhouse on wheels.
Is this the blow off? That's the blow off.
Yeah, that's the blow-off.
Sick. Wait, this was built in Japan?
Yeah. This one was.
Shit, that's crazy. Subarus now are built in Australia now, no?
Now they are.
Yeah,
Now they are.
that's crazy. But back then they were built in Japan.
Yeah, I don't know what you.
That's sick though. You pretty much have like a rare Subaru then, because it's built in Japan.
The wagon itself only has 130,000 miles on it, so it's actually pretty clean for what it is.
Kind of reminds me of like the old Nissan Sentra interior. So we're at Neptune's Neck, pretty much where they filmed one of the Fast and the Furious movies, where Paul Walker and Vin Diesel ate. By the way, guys, I forgot to say I wrapped my car, so it was black, now it's white, which I freaking love this color. Looks way better than the black in my opinion. Gotta get my boy in the vlog right here. Just met him today.
Yo, what's up?
Hey. Guys, make sure you guys subscribe to his channel.
Yo, it's me,
Yes,
bro.
sir. That is me.
Yes, sir.
That low life. This guy got rims in the car. Got my boy Takes right here. Clean ass 350. Neptune's Net, famous for Fast and the Furious. Got all the bikes here. This bike right here, guys, is super sick. I think it's a Harley. Yeah, Harley Davidson. When I saw it on the freeway, I thought about the old Midnight Club games. I just watched it last night, guys, and it's all dirty now. So right now, we just got to the beach, guys. Somebody's shooting flames over there on the road. Just made it where we're gonna meet up. Most of the cars are still pulling up. We were like one of the first ones here. The RPF1 boys. Yes, sir. Z right here, looking clean and mint. Loving the white on the Z. Damn, even the compa Chato made it here. Shit's funny. And he was driving it like that on the freeway too.